everybody. Let's meet our new friend. O and a magic E says O. O. Magic E. O. O. Magic E.
ABC Pop Phonics. What's this?
Note. O. O. Note. Joke. O. O. Joke. Robe. O. O. Robe. Sight word. Came. Did. Came. Did.
Let's read.
Note. O. O. Note. Joke. O. O. Joke. Robe. O. O. Robe.
Okay, let's read the sentence.
Did you see the joke on the note?
Can you read it by yourself?
Did you see the joke on the note? Let's say goodbye to our new friend. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with English. That's all for now. Bye-bye.